or to convince them, it is very difficult. So we must have our own financial resources, our own infrastructure, and if any person is dare enough to start a single model school, the whole world will follow it in the future, because everybody is craving for a solution, everybody is searching for a solution, everybody is searching for a solace, a comfortable way of education and survival in the world. I think that we have more sessions, we can have more opportunity to discuss about the more depths of learning technologies and instruction methodologies in the near future. And unless these things are either published in the net for more reach, wider reach, or published in the form of transcriptions as small articles and given to the people, immediate assimilation of a torrential flow in a time frame limited lecture is very, very impossible for any person. If I am going on talking like this for hours together, then there is no use, because the purpose of my education is, or my education or my narration is not to prove my oration, to prove my eloquence, not to prove my vocabulary, but to prove that I am useful for you and you can be useful for yourselves and for your other generations. That is the purpose of my lecture. If it is to be solved, if it is to be resolved, then transcription, translation, publicization, and codifying all of these things in the form of a particular syllabus or a compendium in the form of a book about education methodology, education wonder, the joy of learning. There must be some book available which must be implemented in a non-formal initially, which can be brought into the eyes of the present ruling systems and administrative systems, which can later become a formal system also, catering to a real solution to the struggling, suffering and suffocating students of the society, as well as the academic administrators and employers. Narayan. Vote of thanks.
Then on multimedia, today on vast, in a very short time, completely about telecommunication. And that again to answer my question about education, technology and all these things. So with these words, I really thank Swamiji for accepting our invitation and coming and delivering his discourse. We are grateful to you, and you will really see you also as our